Doing section 3.3, problem 3, and this one is pretty similar to the example 3 that we saw. Same function, we're just doing this from different values of x now. So I already have a lot of this written up here. Same function, average rate of change between 2 and 3, f of 3 minus f of 2 over 3 minus 2. If you plug 3 into this function for the two x's and then simplify it, you get 9. If you plug 2 in there for the two x's and then simplify it, you get 4. So simplify this, the average rate of change is 5. So the way that we could interpret that is that on average, if we sell between 2 and 3 items, the cost per item will be $5. For the instantaneous rate of change, we're doing this at x equals 4. So we use the formula for instantaneous rate of change, f, the limit as h approaches 0. F of a plus h, a is 4 minus f of a, so minus f of 4. Simplify this, plug in the 4 plus h into the function, you're going to get this, 2 times 4 plus h squared minus 5 times 4 plus h plus 6. Remember 4 plus h squared is 4 plus h times 4 plus h, so you have to FOIL that out. When you do it, you get that quantity there. Simplifying by distributing the 5 gets us this stuff here. Distributing the 2 gets us that. And then from here, we've got distributing the 2 gets us that. And then just the last bit here would be to sort of rearrange the order and then combine like terms there. So we get minus 20 plus 6 is minus 14. And then we'll combine our like terms on this thing and get 2h squared. We've got a 16h minus a 5h, so that's going to be 11h, so plus 11h. And then we've got a couple of constants, 32 minus 14, 32 minus 10, 22, so that's 18, I believe, so we're going to have plus 18 there. And then if we check what is f of 4, you just simply plug 4 into this function up here, you're going to get 18. So the instantaneous rate of change then, this limit is going to be, the limit as h approaches 0 of f of 4 plus h we saw was all this stuff here, so we're going to get 2h squared plus 11h plus 18. That's f of 4 plus h minus f of 4, that's 18 divided by h. Notice again that the 18s are going to cancel each other out, so we're going to be left with the limit as h approaches 0 of the two terms that I have left there both have h's, so I'm going to go ahead and factor that out. Separate that a little. If I factor the h out, I'm going to be left with 2h plus 11, and then divide this by the h. The h's are going to cancel here, and now we're left with just that 2h plus 11. If I plug in 0 there, I'm going to get 11. So the interpretation here would be that if we sell exactly 4 items, that the cost or the profit per item is going to be $11. So this is dollars per item sold. So the marginal profit again is basically how much you can expect to get from the next item that you sell. So again, if we're selling 4 items, then we can expect to get a profit of $11 per item sold. Having the marginal profit go up is good, and generally that's the way that things work. If you sell more of something, you generally stand to make more profit for each item that you do sell. So that's the interpretation.